Rising above the TIFF Bell Lightbox at the corner of John and King Street West in Toronto's entertainment district, welcome to the Festival Tower Condos at 80 John Street. Unit 2507 is a one-bedroom condo with a den that is ideal as an investment property for short or long-term rentals. Has a bright, open layout with hardwood flooring and contemporary finishes, and its wall-to-wall window in the living room has a walkout onto a balcony with glass railing for outdoor entertaining and relaxation space while appreciating the hustle and bustle of this vibrant downtown neighborhood. With the building's location across the street from the entertainment district's restaurant row, almost anything you need is a short walk from the front entrance. Streetcar service, the St. Andrew subway station, Union Station, food marts, banks, and other essential conveniences, with professional services, community facilities, as well as hospitals also close at hand. The kitchen's modern design showcases pendant lighting above a peninsula, which offers both a dining area and additional counter workspace, cabinetry with a dark wood grain veneer finish and metal drawer and door pulls, a wall oven and built-in cooktop with both the dishwasher and fridge panel to seamlessly integrate with the cabinetry, a stainless steel double sink, as well as granite countertops and the striking accent of a tiled backsplash in a bold red color. This unit also features a laundry area with stacked washer and dryer, a double coat closet, and a cozy den ideal as a home office or study area. And off the den is the 4-piece washroom, which has a contemporary vanity with a stone counter and undermount basin, as well as a tiled floor, accent wall, and bath area with sliding glass shower doors. And the washroom is also a semi-ensuite for the bedroom, which has 2 closets and a floor-to-ceiling window. Residents of the Festival Tower Condos are granted special privileges during the Toronto International Film Festival and have direct interior access from the condo building to the TIFF Bell Lightbox Theatre and the O&B restaurant. Festival Tower also has its own private 55-seat cinema, and other exceptional amenities include 24-hour concierge and security, fitness and yoga facilities, a meeting room, party room, and business center, an outdoor patio with barbecues, underground parking, an indoor pool, hot tub, and sauna, while the entertainment district is home to many of the finest restaurants, entertainment venues, shops, and attractions that Toronto has to offer. Thinking of selling or buying? Call Shiv Bansal at 416-704-7448.